Hello there. So you want to know how you can use the Grubhub perks? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on this topic. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. Simply go ahead and open your Grubhub application. Once you've done that, make sure you're already logged in into your account. And now let me just go ahead and show you what the perks are. So simply go ahead and click on offers right over here, and it's going to show you all the offers that are currently available. So as you can see, free Big Mac right here, 4 offers available in this Anwar's kitchen. You can also simply go ahead and, as you can see, you can simply go ahead and select 10% off. As you can see, there's buy 1 hummus and pita bread, get 1 hummus pita bread free, and many more. So the other way you can go ahead and use it is by simply going and getting the try Grubhub Plus for free at first, and then you can go ahead and get your membership later as well. There's going to be reduced fees, exclusive offers, and there's also going to be 0 delivery fees on eligible orders. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you